Control government expenditure.
Okay, thank you, Faradia. Okay, thank you so much. The next one, March 1st. Good evening. How are you?
My name is Christian Ivan. Today I'm talking about ectopic crisis in the capitalist system. My subtopic of today is the Greek economic discussion. The Greek economic discussion was a complete story of decline in the US, in the study of USA, and the affected of all war from 1929 up to 1933. Causes of green economic depression. First is unequal distribution. Second, it is less of governmental control. And last, it is the effect of First World War. Impact of Greek economy. Fed off first is fed off exchange. Second, military of arrange. Characteristics of Greek economy. First, it is poor performance of government, poor performance in bank, lack of production, and the last, it is living danger for empowerment. Measure of Greek economic. First, it is forced labor. Second, it is increased land aeration. Third, it is increased production of cash crops. The Second World War was imperialist, which involved Iron power and the Axis power. German determined regain in colonialism. The causes of Second World War. First is impact of Greek economy. Second, it is impact of First World War. Third, it is extent of military alliance. And the last, it is existence of nationalism. Thank you.